Welcome to Vet Fraternity. In this topic, we are going to see blepharitis. Blepharitis is not a disease, it's just a condition that appears with lot of other diseases. So you just need to be aware of this condition. It is basically inflammation or swelling of the eyelids. It is caused by an eyelid disease or extension of any generalized dermatitis, local infection, or irritant like plant oils or solar exposure. So, as you can see in this image, the eyelids are being red and swollen because like the causes can be any generalized dermatitis like demodex mange or anything like that. If there is any happening on the body, it will cause blepharitis, or any local infection, or any irritant or like any poison or toxicant that that eyelids came in contact with will cause the redness in the eyes. And treatment is done accordingly, and it can be either topical or it can be systematic. That was it. Thank you so much.